Alright, you guys, so I just got off work on my lunch break and I just got my Homechief box, so I wanted to show you what I got inside my box. So here it is, and here is what I got. Now I got this free. Actually, I paid $11 for it, but I could have got it free for 2 meals, but I just went on and did 3. So I got the apricot and onion crusted pork chops. I can't wait to try that. It looks really, really good. And that's an oven ready one. I did get another oven ready one that is cheddar bacon and crusted chicken. And then my other one, I got a fast and fresh, and that's the little tacos, the pork tacos. So I'm really excited to try everything out. It comes all insulated in your little box here, and all your stuff is ready to go in one bag, just like that. That's one meal, and then here's another meal, and then here's the last thing here, and then your meat, I believe, is in the bottom of the box. Yes. So here's all the meat that comes in the bottom. Underneath that, you get a little ice pack here. To put all your stuff in, and then all your meats and stuff. And here's the pork for the pork tacos, I'm guessing. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out. But I just wanted to show a little unboxing video, and they give you a little book for your recipes to go in. So I'm gonna try it out, and I will definitely let you know each time when I cook, and I'll show it to you and let you know how it is and if you'd like to try it. So all right, thanks you guys, see you later.